Chapter 3 Operating System Windows 10. Contents in this chapter: Operating System, User Interface, Types of User Interface, Windows 10, Features of Windows 10, Desktop, Desktop background, Icons, Basic operations on the desktop, Power modes of Windows 10, Shut down the computer. A computer is an electronic machine which works on the set of instructions given to it by the user. This set of instructions is called a program. A set of programs which are essential to perform a task on the computer is called a software. Without the computer software, you are not able to use the computer hardware. Operating System. Operating system is an interface between the computer user and computer hardware. This software program enables the computer hardware to communicate and operate with the computer software. Without a computer operating system, you are not able to use the computer hardware. User interface. As you know that a printer is an output device which is used to print information on a paper. But how do you instruct the printer to print the output? To give instruction for printing a document, you either type some commands, press a set of keys, or click a few buttons. These commands, through which a user communicates with an external device or a program, are called user interface or simply interface. Types of user interface. There are two types of user interface. 1. Command User Interface (CLI). A command user interface is a text-based user interface used to view and manage computer files. It is also called Command Line User Interface, Console User Interface, and Character User Interface. Example: DOS Disk Operating System. 2. Graphical User Interface (GUI). A graphical user interface provides picture-oriented way to interact with hardware. It includes menus, toolbar, picture windows, icons, buttons, and other controls that enable a user to just make a few clicks to get the work done. It requires the use of a pointing device like mouse in addition to the keyboard. Example: Windows 10. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft, world's leading software company. It provides a graphical user interface that makes the interaction between the computer and the user easy. Windows 10 is the latest version of Microsoft Windows. The Windows come up with various versions like Operating System. Logo. Introduced in year: Windows 1, 1985. Windows 2, 1987. Windows 3, 1992. Windows NT, 1993. Windows 95, 1995. Windows 98, 1998. Windows 2000, 2000. Windows Me, 2000. Windows XP, 2001. Windows Vista, 2006. Windows 7, 2009. Windows 8, 2012. Windows 10, 2015. Windows 11, 2021. Features of Windows 10. The features of Windows 10 are as follows. 1. Start menu is get back by the Microsoft in Windows 10. When you click Start button, you see two panels side by side. The left panel shows pinned, recent and most used applications, and right panel shows the live tiles, which can be customized and reorganized. 2. Windows 10 will bring Microsoft's voice-controlled digital assistant, Cortana, with the help of which you can interact with your device and launch applications in your system without lifting a finger. 3. Windows 10 allows you to create multiple desktops that you can work in and quickly switch between with the help of Task View. 4. Universal Apps is introduced in Windows 10, including photos, videos, music, maps, people and messaging and mail and calendar. 5. It provides Windows Store application, which provides various free applications, games and songs. 6. Microsoft has replaced the Internet Explorer with Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. Fact to know: William H. Gates is the founder of Microsoft Corporation. Windows 10 is running in 192 countries, virtually every country on the planet. Desktop. When you turn on your computer system, Windows begins automatically. The first screen that appears on the monitor screen after you logged in is called a desktop. Desktop consists of various components like icons, shortcuts, folders, desktop, background, and taskbar. Desktop background. Desktop background, also known as wallpaper, is a picture that is displayed on the background of monitor screen. You can change the appearance of the desktop background according to our choice. To change the desktop background, follow the given steps. 1. Move the mouse pointer to the blank area of the desktop. 2. Click the right mouse button. 3. A pop-up list appears. 4. Select the Personalize option from the list. 5. The personalization window will appear on the screen. 6. We click on Background option. If not selected, you can preview the background picture on the right side of the window. 7. Click on the drop-down arrow of the background list box. 8. Choose Select Picture option from drop-down list. 9. Select a picture from Choose Your Picture section by clicking on it, or click on Browse option to find more picture options. 10. Click on drop-down arrow of Choose Your Fit list box. Choose a desired option from the list. 11. Once you make all the selections, you can preview the background picture in Preview section. 12. Click on the Save Changes button. 13. Now, close the Personalize window by clicking on Close button. Icons. An icon is a small simplified image or symbol used to represent a program or file. To open that program or file, double-click on its icon. For example, if we were to double-click on the This PC icon, it will open this PC window. The icons which are always present on the desktop are 1. This PC, 2. Network, 3. Recycle bin. This PC is a virtual folder or file explorer window that refers to a place where all the main and essential contents is saved. Here you can access all your saved content and add up new contents according to space. Network. A network icon represents your computer's network connections or settings. It is useful to give us visual indication of network connection status of your computer that you use to connect to wireless network. Recycle bin. Recycle bin is a folder which contains all the deleted files. When you select anything and delete it by pressing delete key, that thing or object is stored in recycle bin. Fact to know. Windows 10 brings back the favorite start menu, quite some as the start menu that has always greeted you on pressing the start in previous versions Microsoft's operating system. Basic operations on the desktop. Selecting the icons. Selecting an icon will make the icon highlighted. To select an icon, follow the given steps. 1. Move the mouse pointer on the icon which you want to select. 2. Simply click the left mouse button. 3. It will be highlighted. Deselecting an icon. When you deselect an icon, it is no more highlighted. To deselect an icon, follow the given steps. 1. Move the mouse pointer on the blank area of desktop. 2. Click once. 3. The icon will now be displayed in its normal form. Arranging the desktop icons. As you arrange your study table to make it tidy, likewise, you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. You should keep your desktop tidy by arranging the icons on it in an organized way. To arrange icons by name, type, date or size, you can follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on blank area on the desktop. 2. Press right mouse button. 3. A pop-up list opens. 4. Move the mouse pointer over view option. 5. A further list opens. 6. Click on Auto Arrange Icons option from the list opens. 7. The icons on the desktop will be arranged automatically. Sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop icons helps you to arrange the icons on the desktop in a proper sequences. You can sort the icons by their names, sizes, types or date when they were last modified. You can do it by following the given provide. 1. Right-click on the blank area on the desktop. 2. Press right mouse button. 3. A pop-up list opens. 4. Hang over the mouse on Sort By option. 5. A further list opens having 4 options. A. Name. Arrange the icons alphabetically according to their names. Size. Arrange the icons according to the file or folder size. C. Item type. Arrange the icons according to the type of item. D. Date modified. Arrange the icons according to modification date-wise. 6. Choose the desired option and observe the changes. Changing the size of icons. You can change the default size of the icons if necessary. Steps to change the size of icon are: 1. While on your desktop, right-click on the blank area. 2. A pop-up list opens. 3. Hang over the mouse on View option. 4. A further list opens up on the screen. 5. Click on large icons or medium icons or small icons. 6. Observe the changes. Taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar which is usually present at the bottom of the screen. With the help of taskbar, you can find, locate and launch programs through Start menu. A taskbar is mainly divided into 3 sections. 1. Start button. When you look at the extreme left of the taskbar, you will see a window icon. It is a start button. When you click on this button, Start menu opens. 2. Middle section. The middle section displays some icons and tab programs for each opened. these small icons usually involves Microsoft Edge Task View and Store. 3. Notification area. Notification area, also known as system tray, is present on the right side of the taskbar. It displays small icons, time, date, volume, network connection, OneDrive, battery, etc. Fact to know. The taskbar first introduced with Microsoft Windows 95 and can be found in all subsequent versions of Windows. Moving the taskbar. When you open your system, you usually find the taskbar at the bottom of the desktop screen. The taskbar gives users quick access to their favorite apps. You can move the Windows taskbar to the top, left or right side of the screen. To move the taskbar, follow the given steps. 1. Move your mouse pointer to the blank area on the taskbar. 2. Click the left mouse button, hold it and move the mouse to either side of the desktop. 3. Release the mouse button. 4. The taskbar will be placed at the side where you release the mouse, locking or unlocking the taskbar. Do you know that you can lock your taskbar so that nobody can move it? Locking the taskbar is a way to ensure that the changes you have made to the taskbar remain intact. Once the taskbar is locked, you cannot resize or move it. To lock the taskbar, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the blank area of the taskbar. A context menu appears. 2. In the context menu, choose Lock the taskbar to lock it. 3. You will observe that taskbar is not able to move because it is locked now. 4. To unlock the taskbar, right-click on it and click on the checkbox of Lock the taskbar items. The check mark will disappear. Changing the screensaver. When you are not working on your computer and your system is idle, a moving image pops up on the computer screen. That moving image is called screensaver. A screensaver is a computer program which fills the idle computer screen with a moving image. When you click any key or move a mouse, you will get back to the original screen. Steps to change the screensaver on your system are: 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. 2. A pop-up list appears on the screen. 3. Click on Personalize option from the shortcut menu. 4. The personalization window appears. 5. Click on the screensaver option. 6. The screensaver setting dialog box opens. 7. Click on the screensaver drop-down arrow. 8. Select the desired screensaver from the drop-down list. 9. To preview your screensaver, click on Preview tab. 10. Set the time in wait box as per your need. Use the up arrow to increase and the down arrow to decrease the time. 11. Click on the OK button. Fact to know. Some screensavers allow you to modify their settings. For examples, how fast they display or how many lines they draw on screen. To customize this, click the Setting button when in the screensaver setting dialog box. Shut down, sleep, hibernate, or change the power in Windows 10. Windows 10 provides various options for power settings like shut down, sleep, hibernate, etc., which helps your computer to save energy and manage performance. Shut down. Once you are done with your work and you no longer require to use your computer system, you can shut it down. For this, 1. Click on Start button. 2. Select the Shutdown button. 3. Now, Wait for some times till the computer turns off automatically. 4. Then, switch off the monitor button, the UPS, and the main power supply button. Sleep. When you keep your system in sleep mode, it consumes very little power. Your PC technically stays on, but all actions on your PC are stopped. Any open documents and applications are put in memory. You can quickly resume normal operation within a few seconds. Use sleep mode when you are going to be away from your PC for a short period time. Hibernate. When you keep your system in hibernate mode, it consumes less power than sleep mode. It is usually available for laptops. It takes a bit longer to resume than sleep mode does, but it will resume everything where you left off once the PC is powered back on. Use hibernate mode when you won't be using your PC for an extended period of time. Change the power plan. To change the power plan in Windows, to follow the given steps. 1. Type sleep in search box. 2. Select power and sleep settings. 3. Then select additional power settings at the bottom of the screen. 4. The power options window appears. 5. Choose balanced, recommended, power saver, or select create a power plan on the left side of the screen. Summary points. A set of programs which are essential to perform a task on the computer is called a software. System software is used to manage the tasks which are meant for a system. An operating system is software program that enables the computer hardware which acts as an interface between the user of communicate and operate with the computer software. When the computer is switched on, the first screen that opens up is called a desktop. Sorting the icons means arranging the icons in a particular order on the desktop. Notification area, also known as system tray, displays various icons such as time, date, volume, sound, etc. A screensaver is a computer program which fills the idle computer screen with a moving image